Work out the following integrals. So the integral of x divided by x minus 5 dx. And the problem with this, because the x and the x here are the same power, what we've got here is an improper algebraic fraction. So we have to divide first. So using what's known as polynomial division, so we're going to do x divided by x minus 5. So we set up the division. X minus 5. X divided by x is 1, so we'll put the 1 up here, and then we multiply like we do in long division. So 1 times x gives me x, 1 times minus 5 gives me minus 5. And now we have to do a subtraction, so x take away x is nothing, and then 0 minus minus 5 is plus 5, and the x no longer goes in, so this is the remainder. So the integral of x over x minus 5 dx will become the integral of 1 plus 5 over the divisor, which is x minus 5. So we now have to integrate 1 plus 5 over x minus 5. So the integral of 1 is quite easy, that's x, and this is type 1 over x dx, which is ln of x plus c, so we need to put here 5 ln of x minus 5, we have to put the absolute value sign in plus c. So this has been a video to show you how to do the integral of an improper fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.